මේ වැදගත් පාඩම් බලන්න දැන්ම DP Education YouTube නාලිකාව සබස්ක්‍රයිබ් කරන්න. අලුතෙන් channelයට එකතු වෙන පාඩම් මාලා දැනගන්න. බෙල් බටන් එක ඔබලා තියාගන්න. අපි ලංකාවේ දරුවන්ට නොමිලේම ගන්වන ලොකුම ඔන්ලයින් පාසල DP Education.
Hello everybody, brand new paper. We are taking this from the Western Province Education Department. This is the 2016 Western Province third term Business and Accounting paper. Yeah, of course, it's a provincial paper. This is the 2016 paper, third term, the last term of 2016. We are starting with the first paper, okay? Right, so Business and Accounting Studies Paper 1, 1 hour. You have 1 hour. How many questions do you have to answer? How many questions to answer? No. Yeah. 40 questions to be answered. 40 questions. All right, guys. And you get 1 hour for the 40 questions. 40 should be answered within 60 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Which means you're going to get 1 minute and a half for each question. 1 minute and a half. Not even 1.5, huh? Not even 1.5. Because you cannot entirely completely spend the 60 minutes without taking even few seconds for other things. You will take few seconds for other things, like maybe to grab a paper, or to change a pen, or to scratch your head, or to wander off thinking about the next subject, having to answer the paper with just 60 minutes. I have seen with the paper at hand, when they have the paper at hand, and when they have like 60 minutes to answer the paper, some children just think of they get so many things to think about. They wander off, they're drifting here and there. Instagram post was that guy has posted a new something on Facebook was there. What am I gonna do? Will father give me the phone tonight? So many things to think about when the paper is at hand. I have seen. All right, don't be stupid. When you have the paper, you should be in the paper, right? 100% every mental faculty should be focused on the paper. That is what you call an examination. You test your skill, not only the skill, not only the knowledge, your management skill. Okay, so first 3 questions are given out of the case. First 3 questions are given out of a case. This is the case. Sometimes children in the O-level business and accounting paper, you will get the first 5 questions out of the case. Okay, first 5 questions will be given out of a case. A case just like this. See, No. what are they saying? Answer the questions number 1 to 3 using following case. That's what they're saying. Answer the questions number 1 to 3 using the following case. Sometimes it could be 1 to 3. Sometimes it could be 1 to 5, the first 5 questions. Okay. A case is given to you. Simple one, a very simple case, like a small story. Yeah, Jaidas started yogurt manufacturing, and yogurts produced with the milk from the farmers of the village, blah blah blah. So after the questions given, after the questions given from the case, up to 16th, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Up to the 16th question, you're gonna get questions, all the questions out of the BS, Business Studies part. We know these things. I always introduce you the first paper in this manner. All the questions up to 16th question will be given to you all the way up to here, all the way up to the 16th question will be given to you from the Business Studies part. All right, from the Business Studies part of the syllabus. Then from 17th question, from 17th, you're gonna get accounting. Yes, right, the favorite part, accounting. 17th question upwards. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Go on until 40th question, all from accounting. But up to 34, 35, up to 35 in this particular paper, it is up to 36. Up to 36 question, all accounting. Yeah, that's right. From 17 up to 40, all accounting. But at this point, 36th question, you're going to get from 37th another set of special questions. Financial statements. You're going to get a set of questions from financial statements of sole traders. That means from SOPL and SOFP. You're going to get from 36th question. Yeah. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Sometimes in the O-level paper, you're going to get questions from 35. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. These questions from financial statements. Yo-ho, that's it. Up to 40th question, we have to answer. And one question will earn you 1 point. Which means for one question, you're gonna get 1 mark. All together for the 40 questions, 40 marks in 60 minutes. Do not forget that you have only less than 1.5 minutes. 1 minute and a half for each question. Do the first 16 questions quickly as possible. Do the first 16, 17, maybe up to 20, up to 25. You have to do it quickly. Do not take 1.5 minutes for these questions. You get what I'm saying? Do not take 1.5 minutes, although you can take 1.5 minutes. Do not take 1.5 minutes for the easy questions. Finish them quickly, like maybe in 10 seconds, 15 seconds, you can read the question and mark the answer. Even less than that. Okay. Why do I say that? Finish these questions within, like, for each question, don't take more than 10-15 seconds. Why do I say that? Yeah. That's right. Save more time for the latter part. I mean, for the difficult questions, for the calculations. Save some time. Right. So, shall we start with the first question? Yeah. This is the 2016 year-end third term paper of the Western Province. Let's go. First question. Answer question 1 to 3 using the following case, the Jayadasa case. Jayadasa started a yogurt manufacturing business after working for 10 years at a famous dairy production business. Maybe Jayadasa was working in Highland Milk Co. Company, or maybe he was working in a company like that. A company like Highland or Milko, famous for their dairy products. But he did not continue in that company. He resigned from the company, and Jayadasa, he started manufacturing or producing yogurt by himself. Okay, with the 10 years experience in the Highland or wherever he worked. He produces yogurts by purchasing milk from the farmers living in that area. He's buying milk from the farmers of the village. And he sells to businessmen in the village. Okay. Important points. Let's just underline the few important points. Yogurt manufacturing, purchasing from farmers, selling to businessmen. A need and a want fulfilled by Jayadasa's business. A need. First of all, we have to mark the need, then the want. Okay. Need is food. Want is yogurt. Yeah, this is the answer. Food is the need, and yogurt is the want. Yep, that is the answer. Let's go to the next question. Second question. The yogurt business of Jayadasa is a commodity manufacturing business, service manufacturing business, direct production business, non-profit motive business. Easy question, but just to let you know how to tackle a more difficult question, you can cut off the irrelevant, clearly wrong answers. Yogurt manufacturing is not a service providing business. Yogurt is manufactured or produced, then yogurt is a good commodity manufacturing. It's not direct production. It's not a non-profit business. No. Answer is clearly first one. Commodity manufacturing business. Commodity manufacturing means goods produced. Yeah. Third question. A strength of Jayadasa's business. Strength. You know that SWOT comes in your grade 10 textbook in the very first lesson. I always tell you to remember with this word, SWOT. What does SWOT stand for? Strength, weaknesses, Strengths, weaknesses. Opportunities, no? Opportunities and threats. These are in the internal environment, and opportunities and threats are in the external environment. Yeah. So strength is a internal factor, internal positive. What is positive for the business in the internal environment? Dairy farmers living in that area? No. Stores located in surrounding area? That is also external. Experience gained through engaging in dairy production business. Has a demand for yogurt. Clearly this is the answer. Experience of Jayadasa by, experience gained. Yeah, gained. Yeah, experience gained by Jayadasa. As a worker, employee in a large dairy production company. Working in such a company, he has acquired a lot of experience, a lot of experience and a lot of techniques and things useful. Yeah, things useful, very useful for production of yogurt. That is a plus point in the internal environment, because that positive plus point is with the owner, that is gained by the owner. So owner is in the internal environment. That is a strength of the internal environment. Got it? Okay, that's it. Yeah. Next question. An owner who engaged in crushing and distributing granite. Imported an efficient machine. Some words are underlined. Why is that? From abroad, engaged his 2 employees to operate it. Factors of production relevant for the underlined words shown in the order. They are asking, what are the factors of production? Factors of production relevant for the underlined words. What are the underlined words? Here we go. We have owner, we have granite, we have machine, okay, and we have employees. Those are the underlined words. Obviously, the factors of production relevant for these underlined things, or the resources, can be, you can remember, right? Yeah, can be marked. Owner means the person who starts the business, the person who carries out the business, the person who combines all the other factors together. That is the entrepreneurship. Here we go. We have 2 answers here. First one should be entrepreneurship. Okay. Second one, second underlined word is what? Granite. Granite is the natural, 100% natural resource. What are the factors of production? Land, labor. What? No, there's no such thing as resources. No. There are 4 factors of production. Tell me, don't waste time. Tell me the 4 factors of production. Yeah, that's right. Land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. Now the first underlined word is owner, that is entrepreneurship, obviously. Second underlined word is granite. Granite is 100% natural resource. Natural resources are categorized under or coming under land. One, land is also there. Two. Third underlined word is machine. Man-made resources involved in production. Yeah, artificial resources. That goes under capital. So third one, capital, is also there. Fourth underlined word is employees. Employees means the human labor. This is the answer. Second answer. Next, following shows the ways of intervention of the government for business and examples for those. Intervention means what? Getting involved or something like that. Getting involved or getting in the middle of the government for businesses and examples for those. X column, provide incentives, protect consumers, protect environment, infrastructure facilities. And Y column, electricity highways, tax relief, consumer affairs authority, central environmental authority. Okay. What is the question now? The correct answer when the column X matched with column Y. Well, if you get a table like this with column X and Y or column A and B, probably you have to match them. And they're asking correct answer when the column X is matched with column Y. Let's match. Shall we match? Government is getting involved in businesses, okay? And the first way is providing incentives. Incentives means providing facilities and allowances, positive facilities to develop businesses. That should be matched with what? Tax relief? Okay. Then protect consumers. The government is protecting consumers by electricity and highways? No. Consumer Affairs Authority? Yeah, Consumer Affairs Authority, yeah. Protect consumers with Consumer Affairs Authority. Consumer Affairs Authority. පාරිභෝගික ආරක්ෂණ අධිකාරී. Consumer Affairs, yeah. Protect environment. Obviously, the government is having this, the Central Environmental Authority, to protect environment. Final answer is remaining one, infrastructure facilities, electricity, highways. Now, number 1 should be B. Number 2 should be C. Number 3 should be D. A is 4. B, C, D, A. 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A. Here we go. Yeah. Remember, you get 1.5 minutes for these questions. and do not take 1.5 minutes. I say, you remember, children, 1.5 minutes, 1 minute and a half. And again, I say, don't take 1.5 minutes. Yeah, save time. Sixth question. Which of the following is not an objective of managers as a business stakeholder? Hmm. Hmm. Huh. Managers. Managers. You have a separate lesson called management. Yeah. What are the functions of management? Product, price, place? No. Tell me, what are the functions of management? Don't get me nuts. Don't drive me nuts. Huh? What are the functions of management? Yeah. Planning, organizing, leading, controlling. Good. So, which of the following is not an objective of managers? They're asking about objectives, children. Objectives. Yes, guys. Yeah. Take management decisions required to fulfill objectives of business. That is a objective of managers. Implement management decisions. Increase job opportunities. Improve the future of the business. Interesting question. Let's see. Okay. Now, what is not an objective? What's the wrong one? Okay, not an objective. Taking management decisions required to achieve the objectives of the business. That is clearly a role of the manager. Okay, objective of the manager. Implementing management decisions also, that is also clearly a role of the manager. Improving the future of the business, that is also clearly his thing. But increasing job opportunities for the country, for the society, it's not manager's duty. No. There you go. That is the answer. Seventh, in which of the following instances the business environment is more advantageous to? Okay. In which of the following instances the business environment is more advantageous to a business? When there are opportunities and threats, when there are strengths and threats, when there are strengths and opportunities, and when there are weaknesses and strengths. Well, they are asking about one special thing. And what is that? In which situation the business environment is more advantageous to a business? Well, children, it is the SWOT. Yeah, it is the SWOT that they have given: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. When there are opportunities, it's advantages, but threats, no, not advantages. When there are strengths, it's advantages, but threats, when there are strengths and opportunities, both are advantages. But when there are weaknesses and strengths, weaknesses are not advantages. Okay. Here we go. We have already taken the answer. What is the answer? when there are strengths and opportunities. Weaknesses are not advantages. No. Strengths and opportunities, both are advantages. 7th, done. Going to the 8th. Following are acts affecting business organizations. Partnership Ordinance of 1890, Companies Act of 7 of 2007, Prevention of Frauds Ordinance of 1840, Cooperative Societies Act number 5 of 1972. The acts affecting the partnership businesses are now I'm sure you all are gonna run to the first answer, because first answer says A only, and A is partnership ordinance. Do you know that B also affects partnership businesses? Oh my God, no, you don't know. It affects. Okay. C also affects. Prevention of Fraud Ordinance. Cooperative, this thing does not affect. This one does not affect. So the answer is ABC, all three. The answer with ABC, all three. That means this is your answer. ABC. Yeah. Partnership Ordinance, Companies Act number 7 of 2007, Prevention of Fraud Ordinance, all three. Effects. Partnerships. A characteristic which can be seen in state corporations but cannot be seen in government departments. Characteristics means features. Characteristics means features. Features. Which can be seen in state corporations. Voila! State corporations belong to the state, the government. Okay. Departments also belong to the state. That is why they are called government departments. Now, otherwise, we can call them private departments. No. No, there are no private departments. Departments are belonging to the government. So, owned and controlled by the government. Is that true? First one, owned and controlled by the government. Has continuous existence. Under the financial regulations of the government. Has a legal personality. Now, what is the difference between state corporations and government departments? What is it? Is it owned and controlled by the government? That is common to both of them. Yeah. Of course, it's common. Both are government organizations. So, can't take it. Has continuous existence? Corporations have continuous existence. Yes. That is true. Because corporations, state corporations are started and formed with a general law, special act of parliament. That is a state corporation. And departments are also run or operated under a ministry. a certain ministry by the government. No, yeah. So continuous existence also, that is also okay. Both, for both, common. Under the financial regulation of the government, that is also common. This is the difference. This is the difference between state corporations, but not actually a feature of government departments. Government departments do not have a legal personality. The head of the department should be legally bound. No legal status for government departments. A function which cannot be fulfilled through telebanking service. A function, something that you can do using telebanking service, but they're asking cannot be done, which you cannot do, right? What is telebanking? You know, we know, everybody knows what is telebanking. You dial a number, the bank number of the bank or your branch. Take the telephone if you are using a landphone, or you take your smartphone, and you take a call and you get something done. That is telebanking. Oh, now there are apps. Of course, the banking apps. Something that you cannot do using those, banking apps through your phone. Can inquire the bank account balance, right? Can. Obtain checkbooks through telebanking. Let's see. Can obtain bank statements. That is true. Can obtain bank statements. Payment of electricity bills and water bills. Yeah, you can go to the app, use the app and pay your bills through your phone. This is what you cannot do. Obtaining checkbooks. No, you cannot obtain checkbooks through your smartphone. Pasan intends to open a current account to do his business transactions through checks. The bank he should go for it is National Savings Bank. No. Central Bank of Sri Lanka. Are you nuts? Pasan, are you kidding me? No, we can't go to CBSL, Central Bank of Sri Lanka, to open a current account. Regional Development Bank? No, that's a development bank. Hatton National Bank Limited. That is the bank Pasan you should go to. You know why? Because he's wanting to open a current account. Current accounts can be opened in commercial banks only, not in savings banks, not in development banks, not in CBSL, in a commercial bank only. So this is the answer. Next, 12th. Following facts related to insurance. Okay. Husband can insure his lawful wife. Oh yeah, that's true. Husband can insure his lawful wife. Husband can take an insurance for the lawful wife, not the other wife, lawful wife. That is true. It's a good one. Lawful wife. Yeah. Then compensation is paid for an insured property only to cover the damage. It is also true. Insurer and insured should reveal all the information related to the insurance agreement. Yeah, that is also true. What are they asking? Principles of insurance related to above facts. Okay, shown in order. Principles of insurance related to above facts, shown in order. What insurance principles are given out of these facts? Okay, husband can insure his lawful wife. That means the insurable interest is shown. Husband can insure his lawful wife because husband can't insure the other wife. No. If husbands have girlfriends, the husband cannot insure the girlfriend because no lawful relation there. Husband can insure the lawful wife because there's a legal relation, the legal right, that is insurable interest. Okay, so one is that. Two is indemnity. What is compensation is paid for an insured property only to cover the damage. Yeah, that is true. Only to cover the damage. 1D, the insurance compensation. Compensation is paid only for an insured property only to cover the damage. Yeah, that is indemnity. True. Insurer and insured should reveal all the information. That is the third one. Information related to the insurance agreement. It is utmost good faith. Sure. It's true. Then the very first answer is correct. Is this the answer? Let's see. Second one, utmost good faith is not actually the first thing. This principle of insurance, utmost good faith, is not shown by this. Husband can insure his lawful wife. Then insurable interest is, yeah, this is shown by the first. I mean, this is the insurance principle relevant to the first one. Okay. Don't take time. That is the first one. Utmost good faith is the second one. Compensation is paid for insured property only to cover. No. This is not the second one. Second one is showing indemnity. Yeah. So this is also wrong. Indemnity is not shown by the first one. Insurable interest is shown by the first one. Compensation is paid for insured property only to cover the damage. That is indemnity, shown by the second one. C, utmost good faith, is shown by the third one. This is the answer. Okay. 12th, first answer. 13. This is the communication process, very clearly shown on the paper. Diagram relates to the communication process. Yeah. The correct answer for the above A, B, C respectively. Okay. Sender is the first box. A is the message. B is the medium. Then receiver gets the message. C can be the response, then feedback. Let's see. Message, medium. This can be the message. This can be A can be the message. B can be the medium. Okay. C is the response. Yeah. Response. Right. These two should be message and the medium. Message and medium. So A is the answer, right? I mean, number 1 is the answer. Hmm? Yeah. Response. Yeah, this is the answer. A, B, and this is C. Response. Right. Next one. Following information relates to the functions of management. Efficiency means achieving the expected objectives of a business. Okay. Planning is the process of determining the objectives of a business and determining the activities to achieve these objectives. That's true, yeah. Organizing is the process of proper direction of human resources to implement plans. Organizing is that? No. Controlling is the process of finding out whether the business activities are implemented as planned, and if not, identifying errors and taking necessary actions to correct them. In the information, in above information, A and B are true. A and B are true, and the B and C are false. Again, they are saying A and B true. B, they are saying B true. B is true. Can you see this? And again saying B is false. Can't take the first answer. A and C are true. A and C are false. B and D are true. Let's see. A, efficiency means achieving the expected objectives of a business. Efficiency means achieving the objectives. No, it is true. This is not true. This is false. Okay. Planning is the process of determining blah blah blah. Yeah. This is true. Planning is the process of determining objectives of a business and determining activities to achieve the. This is true. This is true. Get what I'm saying? Because planning is actually this. It is this. This is true. Organizing is the process of proper direction of human resources. No, that is leading. That's leading. So this is also not true. False. Controlling is the process of finding out whether the business is implemented as planned, and if not, correcting errors. That is also true. This is true. Then we have A and C false. A and C false. We can choose the which answer? A and C are false. Huh? No. Use this color. A and C are false. Huh? We can choose this. A and C are false. And B and D are true. B. Yes, this is the answer. Here we go. You have to be quick but also be clear when sorting out things. Yeah, 2 minutes maximum. No, 1.5 minutes maximum for these questions. Yeah. Select the answer which includes the factors related to variable of promotion of the marketing mix. Now promotion is, what are they asking about? They are asking about promotion. Promotion, see? And they are asking where factors related to promotion. Advertising, quality, pattern, sales, promotion. These two are not true. These two do not belong to promotions. Now, product, price, place, promotions. Quality and patterns not relevant to promotions. So can't take first answer. Personal selling, sales promotion, discounts, public relations. Discounts cannot be taken under promotions. That is going under price. Sales promotion, advertising, personal selling, public relation. That is okay. Advertising, quality, no, quality, features, pattern, all three can't take under promotion. Quality, features and pattern go under product. Then the answer is third one. Sales, promotions, advertising, personal selling, public relations. Yeah. Relevant for promotions. Last question in this chapter. BS questions. Business studies questions only we are tackling. We are taking. So this is the last BS question. Business studies question. Subodha intend to invest the employee provident fund he received after the retirement. His expectations are as follows. Receive an interest income under a fixed interest rate. So FDs or T-bills. You know T-bills are, right? Only those two you can use. Interest income under a fixed interest rate. Ability to convert into cash at any time. Obtain full security for the they're talking about T-bills. The suitable source of investment for Subodha is purchasing of treasury bills. Yeah. Why didn't I take this fixed deposit? Because if Subodha opens a fixed deposit, you know what? These two things are not very, very ability to convert into cash at any time and obtain full security for the investment. Taking cash at any time he wants and obtain full security for the investment, 100% secured by the government. These two are not given by fixed deposits. So, can't take fixed deposits. Purchase of treasury bills, T-bills, is the suitable investment. Right, so with that, we are ending this session. Children, this is the 2016 Western Province Business and Accounting paper of the third term, last term paper of Western Province. Yeah, it's a Western Province paper. As I always say, these provincial papers, out of these Western Province papers, mostly questions can be taken to your O-level examination paper, O-level paper. That's why we are taking these targeted provincial papers from here and there, mostly third term papers. This paper will be finished in the next two chapters. So we are finishing the first paper, the MCQ paper, in 2 more chapters. So do finish off the paper with me, which means get together and watch the coming 2 chapters so we can finish off the 2016 Business and Accounting third term paper of the Western Province. Right, so hoping to see you soon.
මේ වැදගත් පාඩම් බලන්න දැන්ම DP Education YouTube නාලිකාව subscribe කරන්න. අලුතෙන් channel එකට එකතු වෙන පාඩම් මාලා දැනගන්න. bell button එක ඔබලා තියාගන්න. අපි ලංකාවේ දරුවන්ට නොමිලේම ගන්වන ලොකුම online පාසල DP Education.